Alright guys, here we go. We got another one. This is actually a baseball one. Should be Alfonso Soriano for the Yankees. Got a JSA. And the Yankee colors, I just love the Yankee colors, plain and simple. Let's see what the jersey looks like. Just needs to say New York on the front, come on. Yeah. Alright, cool. Some of these jerseys, they focus so much on the back that sometimes you get them and they don't even have the name of the team on the front. So this one's pretty cool. Got the little sleeves. Yeah, sometimes the front will just be gray and the back will just have the name, because that's the side you're going to display anyways. For this one, I'll say New York on the front. That's pretty cool. Not that I'm going to wear it, but it's feels pretty daggum comfortable. New York, got the buttons. And then you got the back side that you're going to display anyways. Alfonso Soriano. So overall, can't complain, man. This is a good one, especially if you're a Yankee fan. I mean, he played with a couple teams, but I don't know him as a Yankee. Overall, man, pretty neat. The jersey, Alfonso Soriano, number 12. Yankees, it'd be a good one. A good one to hang up. Good one to display. You guys let me know. Of course, you always want the pinstripe, but this is still a really nice jersey. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think.